steps to prevent HAIs, you require a system. Okay, that system, it's an umbrella term. So it's called hospital infection control. So this system has to be in place in every healthcare setting.
Achha.
Okay, so basically infection control, hospital infection control, there are policies, procedures which are practiced to prevent giving this healthcare associated infection to the patient. And because of this program, this the infection control program, everybody is protected. The patient is protected, the visitor is protected, as well as the doctor, the healthcare worker is also protected. So now to prevent this HAI, something called as we have to follow standard precautions.
बरोबर.
We have to follow standard precautions. Okay, so you have to follow these standard precautions while handling all patients, all specimens, and all needles and sharps. Basically three all patients, all specimens, and all needles and sharps. So during this handling you have to follow. So what are the components of standard precautions? I'll just tell you about it. First and the most important is hand hygiene. Okay, then is appropriate use of personal protective equipments. PPE, mallar, mask, gloves, goggles. Okay, then coming over to the disinfection, proper disinfection. Then needle stick injury management, sui topli, hospital sui topli, mai kide kara, panic जावप ना. So there are all these protocols what we have to follow. Then coming out to proper biomedical waste management. Okay, then respiratory hygiene and etiquettes. Okay, खोकली दाली, what to do if you feel like coughing, sneezing, what to do, what are the etiquettes. Then safe use and disposal of sharps. Hand hygiene malla, it has three methods: hand rub, hand wash, and surgical scrub. Okay, hand rub म्हणून आम्ही कोविडान खूप ऐकला असतले. hand rub, hand sanitizer you have to use. Hand washing also त्यांनाच famous झाला, hand hygiene. So what is hand rub? Hand rub is the hand sanitizer येता पे आमका. So you have to use alcohol based hand rub, 60 to 80% alcohol based hand rub. WHO has recommended. आणि केन्ना when you should use it ते सुद्धा आमका WHO mention केला. So there are 5 moments when we have to follow this hand hygiene protocol. So first is before touching any patient. Okay, before touching any patient, before any procedure, before doing any procedure, after that procedure, after touching the patient, and after touching patient surroundings. So during all these 5 moments, you have to perform hand hygiene. Okay, so that is up to you whether you want to do hand rub or hand wash. Okay, so there are indications for hand rub and hand wash.
Achha, okay.
So when are you going to do hand rub? If your hands are not visibly dirty, means if they are not contaminated with blood or body fluid, you will do hand rub. Hand rub करपाचे, मैं hand sanitizer use करपाचे. If हात बुरशे ना जाल्या. But if तुझे हात बुरशे असा, रगत लागला, जाल्यार hand washing is very important. Okay. After using the bathroom, you have to do hand wash. Before giving any medications to the patient, food to the patient, hand wash. If you are handling a patient of diarrhea, then you have to do hand wash.
Achha.
Now there are some steps of hand hygiene steps. तुम्ही ऐकला असतले सुमन के म्हणला कितें ते सुमन के during COVID time.
बरोबर.
So it's a mnemonic. सुमन के म्हणला mnemonic. So S stands for सीधा or सरळ. Okay. सरळ, S stands for सरळ. U for उल्टा. M for मुठी. A for अंगठो. N for नाकटा. आणि K for कलाई. So हे mnemonic तकलेन दवरले न्ही सारखे तुझे steps जाता. Follow जाता. So सीधा म्हणल्यार सरळ. Every step you have to do. So hand sanitizer घेतलो तुवें. So every step 5दा करप वो. So सरळ 1 2 3 4 5 सरळ जालो. उल्टा 1 2 3 4 5 मागीर मुठी मागीर आंगठो दोनूय सायडीन करपाचे. नाकटा दोनूय सायडीन नाकटा आनी हे रिस्ट कलाई. आता हे करून कितें अचीव जाता आमकां? All the parts of the hands are disinfected. All are cleaned. So these are the steps. And hand rub करप for 30 seconds. 30 seconds. वेरेज हँड वॉशाक मातशें चड टायम लागतलो न्ही हात ओले
बरोबर.
करपा जाय साबण घेवपाक जाय ओले ते स्टेप्स करपा जाय आनी मागीर सुकोवपा जाय सो दॅट टेक्स अराउंड 1 minute बट हँड रब ओनली 30 seconds इज इनफ
Sufficient.
सफिशियंट 30 seconds बट यू हॅव टू डू मिनिमम 30 seconds.
Minimum.